Hello, this is Dan from About That Life in Japan. Welcome back to the channel. It is just starting to get cool here in Japan and I am trying to clean up my Makerspace. I've got a couple of new printers coming in and I'm hoping to showcase this area a little bit more on the channel. You can see pretty much all of my printers that I have currently that I'm working with. This area has been like this since I pretty much put all these printers in here, and hopefully I can straighten it out and have it look a little more presentable. You can see my Prusa's workhorses, amazing printers, love them to death, and my new Saturn 4 S4U Ultra resin printer that is also hopefully going to be a good addition to my arsenal. My dedicated DLPs over there, and the big boy, the Anycubic M3 Max. Moving on to my office space, I'm also in the process of cleaning this up and kind of reorganizing things, especially my bookshelf and cabinet, so that I just have a little more real estate to present and put up models. Just like my favorite motto, money never sleeps, and I didn't sleep much because I got most of this done in about 2 days. Here you can see I've double stacked the DLPs, the Elegoos. They are amazing. I've got a little bit more height in there for the S4U, and I've got some spool holders for my filament. One of my favorite mechs up there, the Camphor. This is an out of production model and I found it on Mercari. Very happy to get that. Yes, down below there's another printer in there. That's my new Creality K2 Plus with the CFS system. I moved the K1 Max out of that little space and it's sitting next to the Prusa's. I'm hoping this will be a good addition. The K1 Max for me has been a pretty good printer. I just wanted a little more build volume. I was going to go with a Voron or an SVO8, the Sovo SVO8. Didn't have enough money for the Prusa XL. And I just, again, the K1 Max was good to me. So I figured hopefully this K2 Plus will be just as good. If you are in the market for a 3D printer, you're just looking to get into 3D printing, well, filament, FDM 3D printing, definitely my number one recommendation would be the A1. I don't think you can go wrong with the A1, either the Mini or this A1, normal A1. I don't have any experience with the Mini, but if it's anything, which many people say, if it's anything like the A1, they're just bulletproof. I think they can do pretty much anything and they are easy. I mean, it's just like using an Apple computer in a sense. You turn it on and it works. And I've had that experience with the A1. It doesn't get as much work as my Prusa's just because they do more, and I don't want to say faster, but for me, the way I've tuned them, yeah, I think they work a lot faster for me. And it could just be because I'm so used to them, but I think in general the A1 is a good printer if you're just trying to get into FDM 3D printing, and it's fun. I mean seriously, I put those little mod boxes on the top for the filament, and I've enjoyed printing multicolor with that. In this picture, you can see the cleaned up area. Much better, much nicer. As you can see here, I have cleaned up my office a little bit. I've just kind of moved a lot of my books around and opened up some of the space in this bookshelf and just put up a little. I've opened up a little more real estate so I can showcase some of the models and things that I like. Again, Camphor is one of my favorites. I've got some resin prints for the Camphor coming out soon. I'm going to enjoy putting those together. I'm a huge Hexagear fan as well. I'm going to enjoy putting some more of those together and those models. my computer, and I've got a couple new toys. The loop deck I've had for about a year, and I've used it quite a bit, and I really enjoy it. I just printed out this stand for it, but the new toy is the 3D Connection Space Mouse. Now, this is not cheap at all. It was almost $1,000, but it's an amazing tool, and I'm looking forward to hopefully using it to produce more 3D CAD related products of my own design, and manipulate some current things so that I can, as they say, what is it? Remix some things to better suit my needs. I'm really trying to figure out this CAD. I'm working with Blender. I have worked with ZBrush a little bit, but I'm primarily trying to get Blender down, and I'm hoping this will aid me in being able to do that, which it has been a pretty fun tool to use. I'm really enjoying it. This cover is so that I don't spill things. I can cover it up and keep dust off of it because it's not cheap, and also put a little coffee and drinks on it, you know, when I have something on my desk, because with that Wacom tablet, I really don't have a whole bunch of space on that desk when I'm working. And here you get another view of my bookshelf display cabinet. Yes, that is a Warhammer model. If you know what it is, you know what it is. If you don't and you have questions, leave them down the bottom. Let me know. But hopefully this space will be neat. It is getting cool here in Japan, and I'm hoping you're all getting ready for the holiday season. Please take care. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.